How do you do today? It's the same thing. We're going from the safety first aid kit that you do for 72 hours. I already went through it. Now my everyday carry coming out of this right here. So I'm going to be taking it out. And you see what I'm talking about. It goes on this side of your backpack. Let me get it all out here. Let me get it all out here real quickly. Boom. Okay. I just brought it out. I got another pair of paracord. This is just dead white paracord cord. There's the knife. Pulling it all out here now. This is everyday carry. There's your tactical pen, which is just a regular old pen. Carry your compass, know how to use it, know how to operate it. If you don't, got a problem. Fish hooks and little rigs with 60 feet of fishing cord. And sewing needle. And you got right there diaper pins. Come back again, you got weights. This is weights too. Okay. The whistle's been tested, so I know it works. A whistle. This is just for camping. I got about 50 of these fire starters. I've tested this sewing. It's Chinese, but it works. Your chain sewer. Your star. Your multi-purpose tool. And instructions how to use the damn thing. For 72 hours. And this thing is sharp. I guarantee you on that. I know I never use the instructions, but it's good to have here if you're a beginner. And mainly this is what I'm doing for you, is for beginners. Store back where it goes. Back where it goes. I want everything. And I always keep the bags. No matter which way, they always keep the bags. There's a reason for it. You might not know it, but them bags can come in handy. You see how I'm keeping it all put together. That's your everyday carry. You should always do it that way. But this is for camping. The other thing, see, I just pulled it off of it. So you know I just pulled this off. Main reason, it's got a scratcher here. And it's got a fire starter there. And the compass is working. So that tells me, okay, I got a good thing right there. You should always keep a compass and another compass around at all times. So now you know my ED and them is in this. When you saw the first aid kit, you might not know what them patches stood for. That means scout or pioneer. That's what that patch means. Don't forget, it's a Garfield bag. It's going on the darn right side. In here. First aid on the left. This is on the right. There's a reason for it. You never know when you need to use that. You pull that off when you get to take the backpack down. Then you go in the woods. And you can build your fire, tent, whatever. But that was just everyday carry. Matter of fact, I got a whole bunch of them in the cars and trucks. Even got one in here too. So I even got one in the man cave if I need it. Same thing. This one come to me by another guy. Exact same thing. It's an everyday carry. Like, share, and subscribe, y'all beginners. I'm giving you through the basics. And that was the basics of the first aid kit and your everyday first aid kit. It's called Independent. FA is first aid, and the K is kit. You do understand that. This was an everyday kit. It's called an EDC, everyday carry. You just got finished looking at it. I'll talk to you later.